The first thing, human palm is very special. And that's how it makes us different from other animals. Okay? Even chimpanzee, they're closer to us 99.9. The only one difference is the thumb. They're too big, open. They're only used for climbing on the tree. Human evolution, and they learn how to connecting the thumb with the brain. So in the Tao state, you have to train energy. So the first thing we said, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, we call the yin energy. So the yin, the blue energy. The thumb and the pinky finger and the palm we call yang energy. But when you combine this yin yang, it becomes Tai Chi. So we aware the fingers and you divide thumb, index, middle, and ring finger blue. And pinky finger is red. And when you combine them together, they become like a Tai Chi. So important part is the tip of the finger. So the tip of the finger, when you activate the tip of the finger, and you put the hand out and you breathe. So inhale, exhale. So now you feel human finger have vortex. We have fingerprint. And fingerprint in the Tao state, that is your spinning energy. The vortex, so nobody has the same vortex. Everybody's fingerprint different. So when you put your palm out and you are aware, you tip the finger, it have fingerprint, and now it draw the vortex from the heaven down. So you feel the tip of the finger, have vortex, have fingerprint, and it creating a spiral, a spinning of different person. Nobody have the same. So when you have this aware of it and you spiral, and you start to feel the tip of the finger have chi, because your different kind of fingerprint creating a vortex different, and you draw different ability of power that come to you. Mind and fingers is so important, okay? Because we have the brain and we have the finger, and now we do everything. So three fingers we call thumb, index finger, and middle finger is the one that holding the power. Definitely the other one also helping. Okay, so these three fingers become very important. This is the major practice for the cosmic healing, for all the Qigong, and for the Nei Tsang massage abdominal. You need this energy. You need to get chi, and you need to get the power, and you can do the healing in abdominal massage or massage the spine, everything. So no energy, no power, the hand is no use. Because when you have this chi, you can do so many things. The first thing, if you touch your abdominal, rub your abdominal, you have more chi. Okay, or you use your finger to do anything, you have more chi. Okay, and after that, you have chi and you're healthy. You can send this chi to help other people, to heal the people. So that's why cosmic healing and the Chi Nei Tsang work together with the energy in the hand. So that's the first step. You have learned how to charge your hand, and you learn how to take the hand to heal yourself, and after you learn to take your hand to heal other people. Because the vortex help you absorb chi from the universe, and you can do the healing. So you practicing your tip the finger breathing. First thing, you tap, tip the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when you activate the tip of the fingers, 9, 18, 36, and you put your hand out. And now you feel that this tip of the finger are activated and the vortex are activated. Vortex is for the energy coming down and is spinning around our fingerprint. So when you have your own unique fingerprint, you spiral, you feel chi coming in. So now when this chi are very specially spiral according to your own vortex, and this chi that when it coming in the tip of the finger is transforming this energy, especially for that person, because the vortex is different. So the vortex is energy coming in and it's spiral. So it's spiral, it get the chi into your arm, to your body, it's different from other people, because other people have a different kind of fingerprint, because there is the unique fingerprint and unique vortex of energy spiral. So that is very special, and you get more energy, and you're breathing. Inhale, exhale. So all this energy creating a very special energy for your own system, not like other people. Yeah. And when you do them every day, spiral, breathing, 36 times 9, 4, 36, and breathing. And after that, you rest and you put it down and you just breathe. Inhale, exhale. So you have time breathing the very unique chi into your fingerprint, and you get more chi, more energy, and more wisdom, because fingers so much involved with the brain. And you can spiral and correcting for men, left hand on the navel, top over with right. Woman, right hand on the navel, top over with left, and spiral. So you spiral from small to big. For men, it's clockwise, 36 times. Woman, counterclockwise means the woman, right hand on it and left, and you're spinning from left to right. Man is from navel on here and top over, and spiral from the clockwise to counterclockwise. Woman from counterclockwise to the clockwise. So they're different. Woman energy come from the earth is counterclockwise and go up to the heaven. And when it come back clockwise again and go back to the earth. Man energy from the heaven spinning clockwise down, go down to the earth and coming back up counterclockwise. Like that. So do them every day and breathing the chi especially to all your brain and organs.